What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Casting Camo Outdoors episode. It is currently 8:50 p.m. Obviously, and me and Clayton are meeting up, and we're gonna do some coyote hunting. We're gonna see if we can get a doggy on the ground tonight. I'm meeting up with him right now, so I'll see y'all in a minute. What's up, buddy? You ready to get a doggy on the ground?
Yeah.
Ah, shoot.
Man, stay patchy.
This boy's ready for the zombie apocalypse. He ain't ready for no goddamn dogs. We just got Clayton's gun. Show me what you're working with, big dog. You know what? Let's get in the light. Get in the light. All right, show me what you're working with. That's a pretty spiffy firearm you got there.
Blackout, the flare, night vision / thermal scope.
All right.
Do anything you want it to do.
All right. So is that a dog killing machine?
I was the dog killing machine. I'll tell you about it.
I like it. All right. What are we calling with? Show me that.
Call with Fox Pro, Coyote Call, Crossfire. It's one of the best ones on the market.
That's right. We're nothing but big ballers around here.
Oh, big baller brand all the way.
Well, guys, what y'all were looking at right there was Clayton's thermal. Here, you go ahead and turn it off. Anyway, we made it to my house. This is where we're gonna hunt today, is at my ranch. We're not gonna take a truck back there. We're actually just gonna walk back there. I'm in the light right now, so the next time I come on here, it's probably gonna be pitch black because the stars ain't bright enough. Anyway, I'll see y'all whenever we get to the spot. It's probably like 100 yards out in the back. But it's probably like, what, 50 degrees outside?
Yeah, it's 50 on the truck.
It's pretty dang cold outside. And there's no wind, so I think everything's going to be in our favor, but I guess we'll see. Okay. Setting the car right here on top of this barrel. How far would you say it's from?
60 yards.
We're probably like 60 yards from our thing. Clayton had a great idea on setting it on here because we're pretty much surrounded by brush. So I think that's going to help get the sound through the brush, so hopefully we can get something in. Yeah, take it.
Oh, there's two of them.
Get one.
They're moving.
Make sure they're bobcats though. Are they bobcats?
I think.
Let me see. They're just chilling?
They're running
Where?
towards the back.
Just get one.
You sure?
I don't know. I don't know, dude. I'm pretty sure that was a bobcat. Just get one.
They took off.
Dang.
Where? I almost shot you.
Guys, that was almost a really bad sit.
Yeah.
That was
Almost terrible.
that dog that you just saw came into the call for some reason. I don't know. I guess he was back there. Came into the call, and Clayton was like, "Dude, there's something there. There's like a bobcat." He gave me the thermal, and I look. I mean, just like a bobcat. I gave Clayton the okay. I was like, "Dude, take it." And he's looking, and he kind of stops. Bobcat kind of stops, and then it takes off. Well, sure enough, Clayton goes, "Dude, I think they're coming to us." So we're looking, and he goes, "Dude, thank God that was a dog." So we almost shot one of my dogs with a 300 blackout. In the thermal, you can't see details. All you can see is the silhouette of it, and it's all black. You don't see details or anything. So, guys, when I tell you it looked like a bobcat, it looked like a bobcat.
Exactly like a bobcat.
Clayton said he was about a second from pulling the trigger on it. That would have been a bad deal. Yeah. So, but even though we didn't get anything, we're not gonna stop. We're gonna go to Clayton's house. We're not gonna coyote hunt. They got cows and all sorts of stuff out there. But we're gonna try to do a rabbit hunt and maybe a catch, clean, and cook. I'm not real sure. But I don't know. I guess we're gonna find out. But yeah, I'll see y'all whenever we're over there. As y'all can tell, we had made it to Clayton's. We're in his garage right now getting set up. We're gonna hunt off of his Kubota here. Real nice little setup. Hopefully we don't roll it. Anyway, we're gonna run around with the spotlight. That guy right there. I'm gonna put you on my head mount, and we're gonna see if we can get some bunnies tonight. You down or what?
I'm down, dude. Let's go.
All right.
I can't see.
Big one. Dude, you're so close. Oh, what's the dog?
Come on. I can't see or move.
Stop. He's right there. Wait, make sure you're not towards your house.
Towards other houses.
I probably wouldn't. I wouldn't. Here. Oh, damn. See? See? Oh, so close. I was right over him, dude. Bring it up. I bet you we could find him. Dang it. It's in here, right?
Yeah, it's just somewhere. At least you can push him out.
Oh, look, there it is. Oh, I just saw another one right here. Careful, careful. Dude, I wish we had two lights because there was one like right here.
Sure brought another light.
It's freaking Shelby, dude.
I know.
Oh, look, there it is, there it is. We got it.
We both got it.
Dude.
Oh,
Oh, shoot.
oh. Put the light back on.
Oh, dude, get him. I think I just got him. All right. Cool. Yeah. We'll get him and finish him off. Dude, you could hear these bullets. Thump.
Yeah, I feel like we both tagged him.
Yeah.
Oh, don't let idiots see her.
Well, I should have grabbed him.
Yep.
Let's go, son.
Anyway.
This guy is dead. We just had to do a little bit of finisher shot on him. Hey, Shelby, get away. There we go.
Finally.
Dinner for another day, but that's it. Let's get it, man. Finally.
Get it.
Me? I don't have my dang gun on. Here, hang on. Where'd he go? Somewhere right there. There he is. Oh, dude, he's little. He's like really little. Alright, here's the rabbit, the one that me and Clayton got. I'm not going to show me cleaning it, but I'm just going to explain what I'm going to do. I'm going to ring out around the legs right here, and then I'm going to cut down right here, and pretty much cut across, and then just skin him out, and then gut him, and then quarter him out, and then I'll show you all the end product from there. Alright, I just got done cleaning the rabbit. Here's the finished product. Here, your hindquarters right here, your back strap, that one's a little twig, kind of messed up on that one. And then here are your two front quarters. Don't know how I'm going to cook it yet. I think I'm going to fry it, more than likely. Right?
Finish putting on barbecue pit.
Throw it on the pit, smoke it, maybe some rabbit tacos. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. But I'll see you in the kitchen. Alrighty guys, it is the next, well not the next day, but we killed this rabbit on Friday night. and it's Sunday night, and I'm with Clayton. Well, Sunday morning, not Sunday night. And we got the fire going. We're getting the oil hot right now. I got this rabbit in some batter I made myself. It's currently in there right now. The way I do it is I put it in flour first. Oh, I dropped it. I put it in flour first, and then I go to the egg wash, back into the flour, and into the grease. But let's get to cooking. Alright, one way that you can tell if the oil is hot enough, I have a little bit of flour right now in my fingers. And you just kind of see what's going on there? See how nothing's bubbling in there? I mean, it's not hot enough, basically. So, we're going to give that a few more minutes. And then, we're going to get... Alright, we're going to check it again. See how that's bubbling? That's perfect. That means it's ready to roll. So, we're going to go ahead and start. No, I did not wash my hands. Just kidding. Yes, I did. Alright, we're going from the flour to the egg. And as y'all saw, all we have is the back quarters, 2 pieces of back strap, 2 front quarters, and that's pretty much it. I was debating on doing the whole thing, not frying it. Okay, that's not going to work. Okay, we'll just start with this for now. You can tell I'm professional with this. I actually don't have enough egg as much as I wanted. I would have preferred like 3 eggs, but all I had were 2, so we're just gonna work with what we got. Alright, I have all the pieces done in the flour. Now I'm gonna put them straight back into the flour. By the way, this is not just flour. It's flour with like some seasonings I put in there. Disclosed seasonings. Can't give away my frying secrets. There's a reason why also I do this outside. As you can tell, I make a complete mess. So. Alright, now you always want to make sure there's a little bit of air in the bag. A little shaky. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I think that's enough. And turn this down a little bit. Just a smidgen. Alright. And then from the batter straight into the old grease right there.
Smells pretty good.
Yeah, it does. How many pieces of meat am I supposed to have?
It should be 5 or 6.
Turn it down a little bit. Getting a little bit wild. Alright. There's a back strap. I'm not real sure. I think I got everything. Let me see. 2, 3. Yeah, that's everything. Alright, now we're going to let this fry a little bit and then get back to you whenever we're eating. Alright, the first one we're going to do are the back straps. That's a little back strap right there. Is that a back strap or is that a leg? Oh, it's a back strap.
That's a back strap.
Alright.
Big one, though.
We're going to go first without sauce and then we're going to go with sauce. Surprisingly not tough.
That's pretty good.
They're pretty good. That's not bad. That's not bad.
No.
Wow.
That's really good.
I was a little bit iffy about the back straps. I know back straps are like the thing, but I was kind of iffy about them because they had silver skin on them. And I didn't want to take it off because I was afraid I was going to take off a lot of the meat. So, I think we're going to do the legs first. Whether the hind quarters or the front quarters. Alright, for next one, we're going to do one of the legs. Clayton got a big one. I think I'm going to go with a big one as well. That's a freaking...
Solid.
That's a beef wagon right there. Alright. It's hot.
Dude, it tastes like chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty solid.
I put way too big of a piece in my mouth. But I thought with more of the meat, I was gonna be able to taste the rabbit a little bit more. But you really can't even taste anything. So I highly recommend if you do kill a rabbit, cottontail. This was a cottontail. This wasn't a jackrabbit. If you do kill a cottontail, I highly recommend you fry it. I just went straight flour and then whatever seasoning you want. It was great. I think it was.
Pretty good.
It was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. So you can't taste no game. Can't even taste that it's a rabbit. It tastes just like chicken. So anyway, like, subscribe, do whatever you want, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at castingcamo_outdoors, and see you on the next video.